Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So today I'm going to be doing an omelet in my Galanz air fryer. So all you would need is 3 eggs. And of course you want to beat the eggs up. I'm not going to add any milk to it. I'm just going to do the eggs alone. And I'm using a square aluminum pan that I bought from Dollar General for $4. You can use this pan if you want, or you can use your roaster pan. I would use the roaster pan because it's circle, just like a pan that you would cook an omelet in. But hey, you can use any pan you want to. So let's continue to beat our eggs. Inside my omelet, I will be adding a yellow onion, a red onion, some cherry tomatoes, as well as a purple onion or red onion. It looks purple, but I guess you call it a red onion. And I could have fried the vegetables on the stove so it would have been a little bit softer, but I'm just trying to do this video just for like if you don't have a stove, because there's some people that actually just don't have a stove and they're just using their air fryer to cook everything. So I'm going to show you how to cook it just using the air fryer. In another bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter and put it in the microwave just to melt it. We're going to put this at the bottom of the pan before we add the eggs. Now that our butter has melted, we will pour it in our pan and then move the butter around just by shaking the pan side to side. Next, we will be adding our beaten eggs. Now, I don't season my eggs too much because if I'm making an omelet, I won't season it with salt and pepper or anything like that because the tomatoes already have acid in it. It already has salt, natural salt, and then on top of that, I'm adding salted butter. So I try to refrain from salt as much as I can. So what I will be doing is just cooking this for 20 minutes on 400 degrees. And you don't even need to cook it for 20 minutes. Just check on it every 3 minutes because these things cook really fast. So I have it on 375 and 3 minutes later, it looked like this. So definitely check it every 3 minutes. And then what I did was I added my fresh veggies inside the omelet, and I'm going to put it back in the air fryer for another 3 minutes because I thought I overcooked it. I thought it wasn't going to flip, but luckily it was still kind of mushy and there were still eggs at the bottom. I'll let you see it just in a second. So 3 minutes have passed and I am ready to flip this omelet. Now, if you still see a little bit of egg yolk down at the bottom, it's okay. It's still gonna cook. And then when it cooks, you can actually flip it over the omelet that has maybe holes in it or something. That way it'll cover it up. So now that we have our omelet flipped, we will put it back in the air fryer for another 3 minutes. And we're just gonna keep repeating this process until it is completely done. So my omelet is done, but it wasn't still completely all the way done. So I end up had to put it back in the air fryer. So overall, I cooked this omelet for about 15 minutes on 375. And this is what the outcome is of our omelet and our breakfast. I have some grits, no salt, just black pepper, but the butter is salted, some pork bacon, as well as this veggie omelet. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it is helpful for you. And if you have any other recipes that you would like for me to share, please let me know and just email me. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching.